Hello, this is Shivkumar Karandadu. In this video, I'll be showing the equipments that I'll be using for making the vlogs. In fact, the two devices that I'll be using are GoPro Hero 10 Black and the other is Google Pixel 6 Pro device. In fact, I have ordered my GoPro device camera long back. I guess it's been more than 6 months and I haven't used it. This is the GoPro Hero 10 Black. So I'll be using, and most of my videos will be coming through this camera. It comes with a battery case. I can charge with this, which also comes with a Type-C battery case, Type-C charger, and also I have ordered other compatible gadgets with it so that I can make a better quality of videos. This is flashlight that will be coming onto the GoPro camera. I have got it under $1,000. So this is the headband. If I want to shoot videos on my motorcycle, then this headband would be really helpful. I got the selfie stick and also the mount for shooting the videos. I also got extra battery just that if I am traveling, this extra battery will really helpful for shooting the long time videos. Coming to its feature, it comes with GP2 processor developed by GoPro, which is really promising, and it has like very smooth interface. It comes with a 4K 120 video resolution and 23 megapixel photos. It is a waterproof device up to 33 feet of in depth. We can automatically upload the footage while charging onto the cloud, so we can shoot slow-mo videos as well, up to 8 times slow-mo. It has a time drop of 3.0. It is compatible with the quick app. So these are the specifications of the GoPro 10 device that I'll be using. When coming to the other device, Google Pixel 6 Pro, it's been more than a year that I have been using the Google Pixel 6 Pro device. In fact, I have ripped it off carrying on multitasking on it, like I do day-to-day trading in future and options. I also do a lot of traveling with the device, doing the GPS navigation. I also do food deliveries, which needs a lot of GPS navigation, and also do remittance business with it. Also shoot personal videos. So it's really lagging behind. So it's high time to upgrade. In fact, the video I am shooting is on my Google Pixel device, which is a sunny sort of color. So this time I have ordered the cloudy white. So from now on, this device will be my personal device, and the device that I am shooting the video will be mostly used for my vlogging space. So this device comes with 6.7 inch display. It has up to 120 Hz of smoothness. It is 128 GB storage. I didn't order extra storage because most of the data goes onto cloud OneDrive, so I won't be needing much higher data storage. And coming to its camera, it has 50 megapixel wide camera and also the 12 megapixel ultra wide camera. Coming to its selfie camera, it has 11.1 megapixel selfie camera. It uses Google house-made Google Tensor chipset. I guess these two devices will be much more helpful for making the videos much better. And thank you for watching. See you in next video.